Welcome back to my channel Joyroute-jojo. In today's video, we are discussing about configuration profiles. In last video, we have seen the theoretical part of configuration profile. What is configuration profile? What is setting catalog, templates, administrative template, custom profiles? All that we have seen in the previous video. That was completely on the theoretical area. The high level understanding about configuration profile. Now in this video we are practically going to create certain configuration profiles. My intention is to create some 20 to 20 videos on configuration profiles. All that will be the real world scenarios. Configuration profile is something we create according to customer requirement. Certain customers will be asking us to block certain like command prompt or PowerShell for the security purpose. So according to the customer requirement, we will be creating the configuration profile. So let's create certain configuration profile. This is the second video in configuration profile, and in this video we discuss about how we can block control panel and Windows settings. For that, let me just go to the devices, and here under devices we have configuration. Click on configuration, create a policy, click on create policy. I have already created the policy for the blocking the control panel and setting app. Let me just show you. Just click on new policy, create a new policy, select platform, Windows 10 and later, profile type setting catalog, click on create, and here I name it as restrict control panel access. It is good to give a detailed description when you do it in the production environment, so that when an other administrator or someone else check this configuration profile, they will come to know for what purpose we have created this profile. Make sure you are giving a detailed description, so someone else check this profile, they will understand for what purpose it is created. All that they will come to know. Let me click on next. Here click on add settings and search for control panel. Here you can see the control panel, and this is the option prohibit access to the control panel and PC settings. Click and you have to enable this. Click next. If you want to add any scope tag, you can add the scope tag. Click on next. An assignment, you have an option to include all some particular group, or for all users and all devices you can assign it, review and create it. So what this will do, this will block control panel access and setting app. So let us check. I have created already and it is working for me. So let me just show you. Restrict control panel access, that particular policy got applied to this machine. Let's try to open control panel. Let me click on enter. See, I'm getting a message here that the operation has been cancelled due to the restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. Such a message I am getting it. Let me check whether I am able to access the Windows settings. So I click on settings. Even settings option also is not able to open, not able to access, because it is restricted through the configuration profiles. Thanks for watching this video. In the coming videos, we will be creating more configuration profiles to restrict and control the devices. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the other video. Till then, goodbye.